Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Avocado channel. In this video I am showing you how I dehydrate orange peels. It's very easy. Wash very well. Then peel using a potato peeler, leaving the pith on. It's better to use organic orange without chemicals or wax on the skin. You can dehydrate using an oven or a dehydrator, but I am using a microwave. It's very fast. Microwave for just 1 minute at the beginning. Now get it out of the microwave. You will find some drops of water. Dry with a kitchen towel or kitchen paper and put it back in the microwave for another minute. Then we'll see. It's not ready yet. I'll put it back for another minute. It's the third minute. Now it's almost done. I'll put it back for another 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Now it's crispy. It's done. It takes totally 3 minutes and 30 seconds. In a coffee grinder, ground the peels till become powder. Now it's ready. You can use in cooking roasted chicken or orange duck, or in making biscuits, cookies, or orange cake. I hope you like the video. Till we meet again. Goodbye.